Showers in the region coming through. 11 for Thursday, Friday, 14. Does start to warm up nicely, though, as we get into the weekend. 6. Okay. You're on your own. All right, you're on your own. Here, you want to play with?
Oh!
Whoa. 17 on Sunday. By Monday, 18 Tuesday, we are looking at somewhere around 16.
Mike Sobel tried to use that 18-month-old dog visiting from the Humane Society on the air, but Ripple just wanted to play tug of war and chew his leash.
3 degrees.
As the peach went over her, oh, what a lovely bump that must have been for you, Miss Spider. It was very satisfactory and tremendously flabby at that. Her tummy and waist were as soggy as paste. It was worse on the place where she sat. So she said, I must make myself flat. I must make myself sleek as a cat. I shall do without dinner to make myself thinner. But along
at 8, Lake Ozark coming in at 9. Griffey wants to play, and okay, go get it. And I will say, that much, you just can't do it. Okay, hi, bud. All right, we are seeing some light winds, and if you're heading out the door, it's cold. Fort Leonard coming in at 0, 1. Right now is what it feels like in Springfield, 9 in Lake Ozark.
We read and listen to things and discuss with our colleagues in those cases. You see my dog in the background. He's trying to get it. He's my personal protective equipment.
No, not that.
Those are actually supplied.
In 3, 2. Watch out for a little. Okay. Hey, stop. Try it again. In 3, 2. Watch out for a little light fog as you're heading out this morning. Oh my gosh. Try it again. 3, 2.
Now, I put that on social media yesterday and on Twitter.
Ann Campbell, who became a symbol for organ donation, is celebrating her 21st birthday in hospital 2 weeks after a double lung transplant.
System pulling away right now, and the sunshine increasing, and there is a dog behind me. Okay.
Nossa, tomou banho.
Cachorro derrubou até o fone. Cachorro derrubou o fone. Cachorro derrubou o fone.
Que do caralho.
Ele quer sentar, ele quer sentar.
Tá lambendo o volante, ele tá lambendo o volante.
Não, esse aqui é o cachorro mais...
Another outro. What do I say? This is the vast majority of students. It was great to hear Oh, he's going for the squirrel.
Oh boy. Oh boy. She's jumping up looking for Craig outside the window.
Oh, don't take this the wrong way, Paul, but this is amazing and great. I love it.
Oh boy. That's
we don't need to see that forecast map. We'll just look at Brody.
Hello.
He loves Craig.
I actually closed the complaint desk, but I'm going to have to reopen it. Hey, King, how are you? Woo! Live TV. How are you, buddy? It's not your turn yet. You have to wait one more segment, okay? Just let me do the weather. I know you're stoked. So are we. All right, let's just go to the map so we can get him off of here in a grease.
Maple, can you stop just for a second? 3, 2, 1. More cold air. 3, 2, 1. Cold air continues across the area tonight. Potential for some frost and freeze for some of us. Warm up, it's going to take...
Термометров будут показывать на этой неделе до 8 плюс 9 градусов. Стоять! Иди сюда! Эй, стой! Стой! Стоять!
Ну, судя по всему, связь с нашим корреспондентом.
Pouvoir apporter cette offre intégrée. Et c'est ça qu'il faut qu'on arrive à apporter. C'est une demande des élus locaux, très clairement. C'est ça qu'il faut qu'on puisse apporter.
J'ai regardé aussi avec la ministre des Transports pour travailler sur la question de la mobilité du futur notamment.
Mais de faire un truc assez...
Жилья в Москве должна пойти на благо людей, а не во вред. Об этом заявил президент России Владимир.
Beautiful.
Exactly.
All right, we're going to turn now to Lara and pop news from her home as well. Lara, take it away.
Have you guys heard the expression, the dog ate my homework? Because we have a situation here. Oh, God. I'm going to make it work. Here we go, everybody. Let's talk pop news. Guys, this morning we're hearing the Tiger King, but that casting sounds amazing. Reva thinks it sounds delicious. Also popping this morning, I could also use another set of notes if anybody's listening.
Did you run out of treats?
Yeah, a milk bone on the other side of the room,
you know
maybe.
What?
Oh my goodness.
She was being so good this morning, and then of course as the camera light goes.
Pod tim je motom komisija predstavila 750 milijardi eura težak fond za